In this video, I will show you how to download, set up and watch DStv on your mobile phone. Now this works for both Android and iOS devices, so I encourage that you follow the steps carefully. Now first things first, you want to go to the App Store of your mobile phone. So you can go to the Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone, just like so. And on the search bar, you want to go ahead and search for DStv. So you just search for DStv app on the search bar, just like so. And you want to go ahead and download the DStv Stream application. It is available on the Google Play Store and the App Store of iOS. So what you want to basically do is to go ahead and click on the install button so that this app will be installed into our device. And it's just going to take a minute or two, and then we can go ahead and open up the app on our phone, just like so. Now you just want to go ahead and give it the permission to send notifications to your phone, like so. And now you'll be expected to either sign into your account or to create an account. Now if you're doing this for the first time, you want to go ahead and click on create a multi-choice ID, which is just below. But if you already have an account, then you can just go straight to entering your account details and be able to sign into the application. But for the purpose of this video, I am just going to click on the create multi-choice ID, just like so. And what you just want to do is to go to the top and enter your email. So I'm just going to enter one of my email, and then you'll be expected to enter your phone number. But of course, you also need to select your country over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter my phone number. And then you want to go ahead and enter a password for your account. And after entering your password, you want to go ahead and click on the create multi-choice ID, just like so. Now you'll be expected to enter your smart card number in this particular place. In case you do not know what your smart card number is, it is actually the number at the back of your decoder, that is your DStv decoder. Or you can also go ahead to enter the 12-digit customer number. Now if you want to recharge this account, that is the DStv Stream account on your mobile phone, you're going to recharge this number, and whatever subscription you use on this particular smart card number is also going to be applied to this DStv Stream application on your mobile phone. But if you do not have the smart card number or the customer number, you can skip this particular process and do it later. So most importantly, you're expected to enter your DStv smart card number or your customer number. But if you do not have that, you can basically skip this process by just clicking on the Not Now option. So you can just go ahead and click on Not Now, like so. And the DStv app is going to reload on your mobile phone, but this time it is going to load properly. Now at this point, we'll be expected to create a profile for our DStv account. So what you want to do is to basically enter a name. In my case, I'm just going to use my name, Sam, as one of my profile, and I can just click on Done, just like so, and then choose any custom icon that I want to be used as my profile icon. So I'll just go with this and then click on Save. Now it's going to reload again on the app, and I can now log into the DStv app with my actual profile that I just created. So if I click on OK, like so, now you can see that we are now signed into our DStv Stream account. This particular error message is a common error message in the DStv app when there is no strong internet connection. So you can basically overlook this, because if I reload the app, that is take the app and reload it again, it will fix itself. So but here is a couple of things you can actually do on your DStv account. So you want to go to the More option, and in this place you can go to the settings, and in the settings you can actually do a couple of things here. For instance, you can scroll down and make some general changes to your account from this particular place. And of course, you can also, scroll down and, contact the DStv customer care if you want to. And then at the top, there is also option for you to link your TV and also manage the number of devices that you actually have on your account. So basically, that is all to it to setting up the DStv app on your mobile phone. I hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.